I'm going to say it because no one else will. There's a serious mental health issue within our education system. Many of these left-wing teachers and their virtue signalling nonsense has got out of control. Children are told to welcome brave and amazing illegal immigrants and even share toys with them. Are these people mad? Look, when these people leave the French beaches, they've been in Dunkirk or Calais. Now, the authorities in those villages say that they see machete wars, ammunition, guns, people getting stabbed and shot. And then people are then coming over on the dinghies to us. We are seeing sexual assaults. I've had one in Epping near me. Rapes, murder, even potential terrorists. And these left-wing nutjob teachers want them to give them a hug and send them toys. What is the matter with you people? You are all that is wrong with this country.